When you have a privately hosted SIM app in your isee Exchange account, you need to authorize users to actually view that SIM app. To do this, you need to create a user group. On the side panel in your My Activities page, select User Groups, and then select Create New User Group. Enter a name and description for the user group you'd like. This will bring you to a page that will allow you to add single users or multiple users at once. For this, we will use a simple single user and add them. It will bring you to a page where you can send an invitation to them explaining that they have access to view your privately hosted SIM app. You can then send the invite. Once you've sent the invite, back on the My Activities page, you'll need to assign this user group to that privately hosted SIM app. To do that, find the SIM in your My Activities page and select the Actions dropdown and go into Settings. Scroll down until you see the additional buttons on the bottom and select Manage Authentication. You can then add the group that you want to this SIM so only they will be able to view the hosted model. When it's been added, you will be able to see which groups have access to that model.